For generations, the image of a white picket fence has represented an idealized vision of home life. It evoked ideas of safety, community, and a clearly defined personal space. While that symbol still carries emotional weight, the meaning and design of the homes behind those fences are evolving. Homeowners today are redefining tradition by blending classic elements with modern priorities, creating residences that reflect contemporary lifestyles without abandoning a sense of familiarity. Rather than discarding the past, today's homeowners are reinterpreting it. Architectural details, interior spaces, and even landscaping decisions now balance nostalgia with innovation. The result is a modern version of the classic dream home that feels more inclusive, flexible, and practical for the way people live now. Rethinking traditional exteriors, the classic white fence is no longer the only visual marker of a welcoming home exterior. Many modern homeowners are choosing variations on traditional materials and colors to make a subtle statement. Soft neutral palettes have replaced stark white in many neighborhoods, while natural wood finishes and composite materials offer warmth and durability. Front yards are also changing in function. Instead of purely decorative lawns, homeowners are designing inviting outdoor spaces with seating areas, native plants, or low-maintenance gardens. These choices reflect a shift towards sustainability and usability. The exterior of the home is becoming an extension of living space rather than a simple boundary, offering areas for gathering and relaxation. Even when fences are included, they often feature clean lines and contemporary proportions. The emphasis is on cohesion with the home's architecture rather than strict adherence to a single historic style. Interiors designed for real life inside the home, the modern makeover is even more apparent. Traditional layouts that separated rooms by strict purpose are giving way to more fluid designs. Open-plan living spaces allow families to connect more easily, adapting to work-from-home routines, shared meals, and casual entertaining. Materials and finishes also reflect a blend of old and new. Classic elements like hardwood floors or crown molding are paired with modern lighting, updated color schemes, and energy-efficient appliances. This combination preserves a sense of craftsmanship while meeting current expectations for comfort and efficiency. Storage solutions are another area of focus. Built-in shelving, thoughtful closet systems, and multifunctional furniture help keep spaces organized without sacrificing style. The modern home prioritizes both aesthetics and practicality, recognizing that lived-in spaces must support daily routines. Home furnishings technology meets timeless design. Smart home technology has become an integral part of the modern picket fence ideal. Homeowners are integrating systems that improve security, comfort, and energy management without disrupting visual harmony. Thermostats, lighting, and entry systems can now be controlled discreetly, often blending seamlessly into traditional design elements. These upgrades appeal to buyers seeking convenience and long-term value. For those exploring homes for sale in Schertz, Texas or their area, the presence of smart features alongside familiar design cues can make a property feel both forward-thinking and reassuring. Technology no longer dominates the space but instead supports the home's overall function in subtle ways. Importantly, these systems also contribute to efficiency. Energy-conscious homeowners appreciate features that reduce utility usage while maintaining comfort, aligning with broader environmental priorities. Community-focused living returns while individual homes are evolving. The sense of neighborhood remains central to the white picket fence concept. Modern communities are placing renewed emphasis on shared spaces and connections between residents. Sidewalks, parks, and community centers encourage interaction, fostering relationships that many associate with traditional neighborhood life. This return to community values does not feel forced or outdated. Instead, it reflects an understanding that connection and accessibility are essential components of a fulfilling home environment. Developers and homeowners alike are recognizing that design choices can support social interaction without sacrificing privacy. Porches are making a comeback in updated forms, serving as transitional spaces between public and private life. These features invite conversation and casual engagement, reinforcing the idea that the modern home exists within a larger social fabric. Personal expression takes center stage. Perhaps the most significant change in the modern version of the white picket fence dream is the emphasis on personalization. Today's homeowners seek spaces that reflect their individual tastes, experiences, and values. Rather than following rigid design rules, they curate homes that tell a story. Patio, lawn, and garden. This approach encourages creative freedom. Mixing styles, incorporating heirloom pieces, or highlighting local craftsmanship allows each home to feel unique. The modern makeover respects tradition without allowing it to limit expression. This shift also reflects broader cultural changes. As households grow more diverse in structure and lifestyle, homes must accommodate a wide range of needs. Flexibility and adaptability have become just as important as visual appeal. Conclusion: the white picket fence is no longer a fixed symbol of a single way of living. Instead, it has become a flexible idea that evolves with each generation. By blending timeless elements with modern design, technology, and community values, today's homes honor the past while embracing the future. This modern makeover demonstrates that tradition and innovation can coexist, creating spaces that feel both familiar and refreshingly relevant. Read more on hogdigest.com.